Welcome back to the channel, guys. I have a quick update for you guys. The A7 IV firmware update is out if you guys are owning one. Okay, so here we have my camera right here, and pretty much what's going to happen is once you go to your menu and you go all the way to your folder right here, press the right key and scroll all the way down to your settings, and then you're going to go to version, and you will see that I have updated mine to version 3. I have another A7 IV that I have with me. I'm going to actually do the update so you guys can see the process of me doing it. So first things first is, like I said, let's go back to the browser right here, and all you have to do is just type in A7 IV update. Once you do that, and you just press enter, and you click on the first thing that comes up. Now it will show you that there's a software update version 3.00, and if you scroll down and look at the notes, guys, please make sure that you guys read the notes very well, because it's very important that you do. Okay, so the first thing you guys need to make sure that if you have an A7 IV and you have a version lower than 1.05, you need to update your firmware to 1.05 before you can transfer an update to version 3.00. All right, so pretty much what it says here, it enables display of Wi-Fi signal strengths. So these are the updates that's going to be happening inside the camera. A maximum number of images can be recorded, and fold has been increased to 9,999. It adds support for C2PA format, and license available date is undecided. Okay, added support for custom grid lines. Custom grid lines is available as a paid license. Available version depends on the country and region. Fixes for issues where time zone wasn't always retained after power restart. Fix an issue where certain custom key operation could cause a restart. Improve the exposure stability when using extended ISO during movie recordings. Improve the operation stability of the camera. All right, guys, so make sure you go and read the help guidelines. It's a long thing right there, but as it says right here, this is a file name, it's body data.dat. All right, and this is the firmware updates, and this is the file size 849,447,320 bytes. The release date was on the 28th, and the operating system, pretty much, you know, you can either use Windows or Mac. I'm using a Mac right now, and it shows you exactly how to do it. So guys, like I mentioned before, I'm going to go through the process of doing it with you guys, okay? So I have a card inside my camera right here, so you guys can see. I'm going to be taking it out. And guys, when you're putting in the card, make sure that it's in your slot 1, all right, of your camera. And also make sure that your camera has a full battery charge. All right, guys, make sure of that. Okay, so now I have my camera here. It is ready to go. My thing is at 100%. And all I'm going to do, the same card, I'm going to transfer it over to my card reader. I'm going to put it in. So guys, when you're putting that file, make sure it's in the root directory or the root directory of your SD card. So I'm going to transfer over another screen over here. Here I've saved 2 versions. So this is a version 1.05. I wasn't sure whether or not my firmware was at this number, so I downloaded both of them. But today we're going to be doing version 3.0, because if you look at my camera right here, if I go to my menu, and then I go to version, you will see that I have version 1.11. So I am above version 1.05. So I'm able to update to 3.00. Okay, hope you guys understand that. All right, so once that happens now, like I said, you go here, and here's the download button. You click on download, like so. Hold on. Click on download. Once you click on download, you can read all this license agreement if you want. Nobody definitely reads that. And then you click on download. Once it starts, you're gonna have the options here. You can either sign in for download, you can create an account for download, or you can download without an account. I did that. I have an account, But the easiest way is just to download without an account. And once you click on that, the file is going to be downloaded, okay? So it's going to be downloaded to whatever folder that you have on your computer. Okay, so let's advance to my computer over here. So now I have the data file right here. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to click on copy. I'm going to go to my disk. This is where my SD card is, all right? And all I'm going to do, I'm going to copy it inside your root directory, guys. Recording, yes. You're going to put it inside your root directory, guys, like so. And then you're going to right click and I'm going to click on paste. I'm going to allow that to paste and go in. Good. So now that is completed, all I'm going to do now, I'm going to eject it. Now, once I've ejected it, I'm going to put it inside my camera. So here we go. Card going inside the camera. And remember, guys, it's going inside slot 1. Okay, guys? Okay, so now I'm here shooting, I'm taking this video now off my back of my camera with the Osmo Pocket 3. Okay, so now once we go to our menu, I'm going to start out scratch so you guys can see. Oftentimes when you go into your menu, probably at the top. All you have to do is just press up once, press the right once, and then you scroll all the way down until you see setup operation. You're going to press right on the joystick, and then you're going to see version at the bottom. You're going to click on that. You press it. Now you're going to see software update right there. All right, and I can pretty much go. So guys, make sure, like I said, I have to emphasize this, make sure that you guys are on 100%. That's your best bet, 100% or at least 3 bars on your camera. So once that's done now, when you click on the updates, so I'm going to click it here, you're going to see, please follow these precautions until the very end. It tells you exactly what to do. You guys can pause the video and read through. Once you have done that, you can either cancel or you can click on execute, right? So guys, like I said, I'm going to go through and click on execute. So once that is done, guys, do not trouble your camera. The camera is going to be working in the background. Because I have the case right now on my camera right here, but if I pull the rubber, you will see that little activation light flashing right there. You will see it flashing. Let's wait for it to flash. You see it right there flashing? And that's the activation light. All right. When I did it on my camera before, I think it took me around 3 minutes. So I'm actually going to let it run and let in real time so you guys can actually see how long it takes. Here we go. So here we go, guys. So it says body updated completed. And that's pretty much it. I click on OK. So now, guys, what is happening now is that if you used to use let's go to my app. All right, guys. So if you used to use the imaging edge, no longer with this update, you're going to be using that. You're going to have to go and get your creators app. Literally. So once you come to this screen on your camera right here, pretty much what you do is you just say you want to use creators app, and then you're going to get this barcode right here. All right. So once you get that barcode, guys, you're going to go to your camera and you're just going to make sure you're on that right there. Tap on that, it's going to open up and it's going to take you to this screen. Like I mentioned before, I already downloaded the app, so you're just going to open up the app. Once you open the app, you have installed it, you're going to just follow the on-screen instructions. So I'm going to click on agree, and you'll just follow your on-screen instructions. Once you have signed into with your Sony account, you're going to see the screen just like this if you have done it correctly, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have had any success updating your A7 IV. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel, guys, subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.